everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are continuing the Zodiac tutorials and this week's gonna be Capricorn. It's a brown purplish eyeshadow with a really nice winged eyeliner, an orange lipstick, and there's supposed to be like a green t-shirt. I don't have a green t-shirt, but I have a green shirt button up, tucked in the jeans, and that would work for me for now. What am I missing? Oh, hair. I have a funny story about that, and I'm gonna tell it to you in a second, but first I'm gonna stop ranting and start. For foundation, we're using the usual Perfect Match from L'Oreal 2N and 3N colors. So, the story. Oh my. Okay, it's not that crazy, but it just didn't help my day. So, basically, I dyed my hair 2 days ago because the roots were starting to show quite a lot, so I had to bleach it and dye it again. And so I did. And because today's hair is gonna be a wavy, kind of like beach waves kind of curls, I decided to braid it last night so that when I wake up today, I have waves. But then I realized that my hair was actually not so clean anymore and it needed a wash. So I kept my hair in braids for nothing, and then I went to wash it, and mid-shower I ran out of warm water, which means I had to rinse with freezing cold water, and it was not a good time. And that's why I have braids right now, and I'm hoping that by the end of this video it's clean and damp enough to actually have some waves at the end, because I did not want to ruin it and burn it even more with heat after just bleaching it and dyeing it, if that makes sense. And yeah, I went for the braid overnight version. But anyways, yeah, now we have the foundation. We are moving to concealer and setting powder. I got some more of this 2N from L'Oreal. I still have in my old one, but I just stocked up on it because I like it and it works. Setting powder. Eyebrows are already on. I just didn't really do much actually. I just filled them in a bit in the front and passed some concealer underneath. And I ruined this one, so I might have to redo it right now. Yeah, I tried to fix it, but it's not working out. I'm just gonna put some eyebrow gel on it and let it. Sometimes they just don't want to work. So let's move on to eyeshadow. I'm gonna put some concealer on the eyelid. Alright, we're gonna try both of these palettes. This color, we need a brown, red, purple. I don't know. Like, if you ask me what color that is, I couldn't tell you because it's like a combination of all. So yeah, we're using that. And from this palette we're using red and and some brown. It's actually not in gradient, it's just really blended out, and that's about it, and some white above the crease. So we're starting with, I don't even know. We're starting with this brownish red, and we're adding purple afterwards. Okay, we're blending this a little bit with the fluffy brush, and then we're going for the purple. Actually, we have a lot of purples in the Amazon palette, so we're gonna go with that first. I'm going for this one over here. Okay, this is very shiny. I need something a bit more matte, but the color is getting closer now, so I think I just need to add some brown and we're good. But first I'm gonna add some simple purple without shimmer. And for that we're using this dark one from the HD Pro palette because it seems like a nice dark purple without shimmer, shine or glitter. Yeah, that will work. And for the brown, we're finishing with the professional makeup palette. This brown over here, because the other one is too dark and it's gonna make everything look black. Although I should make it darker as it looks here, but I don't know, let's try. Yeah, this brown does nothing, so I'm going for the darker one. Not the darkest, but the one next to it is this one. So that's pretty much the color we're supposed to have. We just need some white in the inner corner, and for that I'm just gonna use highlighter this time, because the normal eyeshadow just somehow blends out and it doesn't look good. I think what I'm actually supposed to use highlighter for this, a big realization. Because that looks so much better than all the other eyeshadows that I've tried before, and I really like it, so I'm sticking to this. Okay, so like I'm actually mad about this at myself because I'm watching a lot of makeup videos and I knew this, like, why didn't I do it? Why am I using eyeshadow like a moron? Why? Anyways, we have the eyeshadow and now we're doing eyeliner, and I'm not sure. Yeah, I think I'll do the magnetic one, and then we're correcting it with a liquid eyeliner. And we're adding real quick that mascara. Sorry, not looking up so I don't smear my eyelids. Last Sensational from Maybelline. God, that left eye is real squiggly, that line. We're adding quick the lashes. We're using again the top ones. I hope you can see. No, we're not. The magnet fell off one of them. We're using the long ones from down. And now I'll try to correct the eyeliner, make that wing a bit nicer, and bring it in the front. Okay, so this pen is just not good anymore. I ruined a lot of things right now with this. This is the new one I just got. Super Fine from Essence. And maybe this helps. Okay, yeah, it definitely helps having a good pen. Well, they're not very even right now because I went wrong about the order of things. I put the lashes before and I should have waited. But right now it's done and nothing that I can change about it. So we're doing bronzer. Maxi Matte. Lips. We're contouring and we're using one of these. I got like the entire collection almost from this set. Which one was it? Yeah, this one. Shade 130 from Maybelline Superstay. They're good lipsticks. I really enjoy them. That's gonna be our orange for the day. I mean, close enough, right? Now let's do some highlighter. We're doing one of my favorite liquid ones from Also Glow from Bipa. I really went to town on highlighter today. I just left the contour quite like simple and not very much. I should have done more, but like I felt like leaving it a bit less. And now the moment of truth, the hair. Look at that, I got lucky. I mean, they are not exactly beach waves, but yeah. I still cannot get into that trend of the middle part. I still wear it on the side. I guess I'm too old for this. I brushed it right before braiding it, and right now I think if I brush it, it's gonna fluff into a broom. So we're just leaving it as it is. I got lucky with the hair because it got curly real fast because I only had it braided for like 1 hour or something like that, as long as I did the video. And now I got some waves to show off on the final look, which will probably go down in the next 5 minutes, but hey, they're here now and I'm happy for that. And yeah, there we go, there we have the completed Capricorn look. I don't know, I feel like I'm missing something, or maybe because I was so fast with the eyeshadow because it wasn't complicated or anything this week. I'm not sure. Just I'll probably realize when I'm editing that I missed this or that, but for now that's what we have. I don't know, the eyeliner, one is too high, one is too low. It didn't go good this time, it was really a struggle. But I figured out what was wrong with my eyelashes and why weren't they sticking. So now at least that's okay. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you haven't already. Subscribe for more. I'm posting every Saturday between 6 and 8 p.m. Central European Time. Comment below if you like this look, which one is your favorite if you watched my series of this, and if you would try it. Yeah, my hair is a mess. Anyways, let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!